Hey, this is Skip Pleninger from Paris Kerwin Associates. I've pretty much dedicated most of my career to medical malpractice insurance, primarily in New York State, but also throughout the rest of the country. I'm going to be doing a series of videos that is going to kind of walk you through the process of purchasing medical malpractice insurance. I think this will be valuable to you because I think there's more of an education process that you need to know when you're looking for your medical malpractice insurance. I'm going to go through things like, choosing a broker, the differences between claims made and occurrence, what you're going to need to know when you're gathering information for your application process, the limits of liability that you're going to be applying for, certain extensions, policy extensions, tail, nose coverage, all those terms that get thrown out to you that maybe you don't understand. So I hope this is useful to you in every aspect of what we walk through. And what I'd like you to do is reach out to me should you have any questions. But hopefully, again, this is useful to you, and I look forward to helping you. All right, today we're going to be talking about choosing a broker or going direct to a medical malpractice insurance company. Um, Prior to 2006, primarily in New York State, there really weren't that many options available to physicians. Really, what happened was you had two major malpractice insurance carriers. If you couldn't get coverage from them, you'd have to go into what we call the malpractice insurance pool. Now, with the emergence of additional opportunities or additional insurance companies coming into the state, what you saw was an increase in brokers basically selling or pushing medical malpractice insurance. There was probably more like a handful of brokers that had been pretty much dedicating most of their career to medical malpractice, like myself. But then there was opportunity, and with opportunity, you see increased competition and additional people entering the marketplace. Um, when you're choosing a broker, I've always said, the most important thing to me is to educate you from start to finish. Educate, educate, educate. Um, Basically, tell you the differences between what malpractice carriers that are available. Ask the broker who they represent, what malpractice companies are available to them. What are the differences between those malpractice companies? Um, what are the differences between claims made in occurrence, tail and nose coverage, and the death, disability, and retirement provisions of a malpractice policy? What limits should you be purchasing? You need to get the education from them. They need to be walking you through this process from start to finish. And so, you really do need to interact with them well. And they should be there as your resource. You need to practice medicine. They should be guiding you on what you need to do for your medical malpractice insurance. So, what I hope you get out of these videos is that, you know, start first with that education process. Get that education. Do some upfront work. And again, the other interesting thing and a point I do want to make, don't go out to multiple brokers and allow them to enter the marketplace on your behalf. Do your work upfront. Choose the broker you want to use. Then let that broker go out to the marketplace. It's much cleaner and it's much easier for you that you're not going to be dealing with multiple people. So, again, I hope this was helpful to you, and I look forward to some additional series and hopefully some education for you as well. Thank you. Have a good day.